Here at the Church of Trinity of New York in New York City, we were met with the difficult task of leveling mixed subfloors, concrete and plywood, which were both in extremely uneven and poor condition. We installed 53 sheets of half-inch plywood directly over the two subfloors. We then skim coated over the new plywood. We then installed 1,800 square feet of interface high-performance luxury vinyl tile. We also removed and installed the toilets and sinks in 2 bathrooms. Finally, we installed a black coat base around the perimeter for a finishing touch. The job was completed in 5 days, which was earlier than our customer's deadline.